Hello friends, welcome to Coding Pirates YouTube channel. I am Pravin and today's video we are going to start making a chatbot using Python. This is going to be a very simple chatbot. It will tell us the time, send mail and tell the joke that we want. We are going to use 4 or 5 modules in this project. So first one will be pyttsx3. For importing it, we should type import pyttsx3. You will not get this in default. You should install it using pip command or using the pip manager extension. So let me show you how to do it in VS Code. Go to terminal, new terminal, just type pip install pyttsx3. So some people will not get this, including me. If you are not having any problem in Visual Studio Code, just press enter. But for me, that's a problem, so it will not work. And if you are not getting this, go for extension and search for pip manager. This simple extension, you can install it, and after installation you will get this icon pip manager, and click on this add button, type the module that you want to install, and it will install after some time. This is a very powerful extension that I have used. Okay, and the next module is pyjokes. This this also you should install using pip command or using pip manager extension. And the next one will be import um import Wikipedia. This also you should install using pip command or pip manager extension. And the last one will be put date time. Okay, date time is a um, inbuilt or default module in Python, so you don't want to install it, and no pip command is required. No command required. Okay, here no pip command required. So let's start working with our project. So in this video um, we'll be instructing our chatbot to display time, fetch some result, and tell a joke. Okay, this is going to be a very interesting one. So without wasting time, get started. So first we should initialize the pyttsx3 module. For that we should create an initialization variable. I named it as engine. Okay, that's a good practice to do. And pyttsx3 dot init. Init stand for initialization. And next we should type the program. I'm going to create a variable called now equal to date time dot date time dot now. Okay, this the variable that I'm creating. Okay, um, okay, now we are going to proceed with the um input box. Okay, now type command, a variable named command equal to input str input, and a simple statement inside that. Type the command, and after that we are going to create a if statement. If time in command print now dot. Okay, we are going to create a variable called now equal to date time dot date time dot now. print now dot strf time strf time percentage hour percentage hour percentage minute percentage second. Okay, and yeah, there is unwanted 3 here. Remove this and check the program. If it's working fine, then that's good. Time 10 to, yeah, the time is correct, but I have missed on something. You might be guessing that I didn't put the columns over here. That's a simple mistake that I have did. Hmm. Let me see, it's working fine now. Run Python file. Fine. You can type a very big sentence also in the command, but for simplicity, I'm just typing time. Yeah. Now I am getting the correct time. 10 to uh, 45 seconds. Okay. And let us make our engine say it. Engine dot say. Now let me copy this whole line. Let me copy this whole line. Control plus C. Control plus V. Okay. Now let us check it. Okay. Tell me the time. Okay. Tell me the time. Yeah, we got the time. The correct time. We got. Then we should give engine dot run and wait. It is also very important over here. Engine dot run and wait time.
10 hours 3 minutes and 55 seconds.
Yeah, we got the audio format of the time also. Now we are going to work with the pie jokes. This is going to be a very interesting one indeed. If joke in command, if joke in command, print print pie jokes dot get joke, and the same. Okay, this one we it's difficult for us to print, difficult for us to say, because it's a random joke from the pie jokes, so it is somewhat difficult. I'm going to leave it, and we are going to use the Wikipedia to search something. If search in search or um about or who or what. Okay, what is not applicable, so let me close it. And okay, in command, that is very important, should not leave it in command. And then Wikipedia. Okay, now we should print it. Print Wikipedia. Print Wikipedia. Okay, now before doing that, we should give a input box. Okay, cmd2, it stands for command 2, and str input. Okay, type the thing you want to search for. Okay, type the thing you want to search for, and now do print. First you should give engine.ch. Let me give print itself. Print wikipedia dot get wikipedia dot wikipedia dot summary and cmd2. Just copy this whole line of code and paste it over here and type engine dot say. Let us check if our command or our program is working fine. um Let me get tell a joke. Okay, tell a joke. Why did the qa cross the road? To ruin everyone's day. Type the thing you want to search for. I'm going to search for Abdul Kalam. Okay, Abdul Kalam. Okay, now let me check what is the error going on over here. Wikipedia dot get Wikipedia dot summary is the correct one. Mm, Let me try it another time. Mm, Search about. Type the thing you want to search for. I'm going to search for Rajendra Prasad. Let me let me check if it's working fine now.
Rajendra Prasad, December 3, 1884 to February 28, 1963, was an Indian politician, lawyer, Indian independence activist, journalist and scholar who served as the first President of Republic of India from 1950 to 1962. He joined the Indian National Congress during the Indian independence movement and became a major leader from the region of Bihar and Maharashtra. A supporter of Mahatma Gandhi, Prasad was imprisoned by British authorities.
Okay, I I hope you heard this. That means our program is working fine. Okay, this is a good thing. Let us execute it another time to here. Tell me a joke. My friend is in a band called 1023 megabytes. They haven't got a gig yet. So this is not like a joke itself, but somewhat our computer is telling for us. That's the thing in this video, my friends. I hope you like this video. The second part of the video is coming soon, and make sure you don't miss it. This is the continuation of this particular video. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, do post it in comments or in the telegram group. I'll uh, work on my best to resolve it. Thank you and I'll meet you in another video.